These are some formulas like I think so. You don't need these derivations and all. Just remember how it is formed. That's it. Simple harmonic motion. A particle is said to be in simple harmonic motion if it is moving with to and fro motion about its fixed point, about its fixed position, under action of restoring force. Under action of restoring force. Okay. Frequency is, number of cycles per second. And linear, if we give example, that is spring, and angular simple harmonic motion, that is pendulum. So if you take one simple example, a body executing SHM makes 120 oscillation in 1 minute. That is, find out period, frequency, angular frequency. How to find period? In 1 minute 60 seconds. Number of oscillation is 120. That is 0.5, simple. And frequency 120 by 60 seconds, reverse of it. Angular frequency 2 pi f, 2 into 3.14 into 2. Because just now we found out this 2, which is 12.56. Yeah, in this one we have, what is this? X is a function of t, a cos omega t plus phi. A is what? Amplitude. Omega t is angular frequency. Sorry, omega is angular frequency, t is time period, phi is phase constant. And this total is called phase. What is phase? It is a quantity that determines the scale of motion of particle. Means what is its position, where it is located. So if I take this A, B, C, D, then A and C are in other direction, but they are same way, same position but different direction. So they can call out of phase partially. Okay. So this is also a time dependent. It varies with time. This whole thing we don't need, I think so. Let's do some numerical with that. Let me open my book. Let's solve this question. Yeah, how we will start this one? What is given? A simple pendulum oscillating at a frequency, sorry, time t, and the bob of pendulum is completely immersed in a non-viscous liquid. The density of liquid is 1/6, sorry, 1/16th of the material of the bob. If the bob is inside liquid all the time, its period of oscillation in this liquid is what? So we need to calculate. Simple. So we'll use time period formula. What's time period formula? T equals 2 pi. See, I'll give you a hint. What we have to do, see this. We need what? T we have, L we have, and G we need. Because it's given in option. See, in option we have G, L, and T. So if it is T inside, that means we need some initial and final temperature, sorry, time period. And it is dipped for few seconds, a few minutes, whatever it is. So it depends upon density also. So we need to get some relation here. Either with G or L. We need to get density relation here somehow. Okay, then let's start. T equals to pi L by G. Now what L? L is the length of pendulum. G is acceleration. Now this says density equals to density 16th. Density of liquid is 1/16th of bob. Fine. What else is given? Nothing else, right? So let's calculate force here then. Force inside force, net force. V rho G minus V rho of 16th G. So let's take this as a rho, bob density as rho. Now we know. Okay, you try this one then. What we'll do here? Next. We got till here. Then what else we need? Should I continue? Are you doing? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Sure. just get this value, substitute it, we can get final form. That's it. So even I can equate this as a rho G effective, means let's take effective as G only. So V rho G minus V rho by 16G. So this is what effective resistance, sorry, effective gravitational pull. So we can cancel this. Effective means which this value which is affecting the gravitational acceleration of Bob, that is G. Okay, so G effective equals to G minus G by 16. That means G effective equals to 15 by 16 G. Now let's substitute that one in this equation. T equals to 2 pi L by 16 by 15 G. So I need to introduce T also. So 2 pi under root is into 4 L by 15G. So this number and this one, because we have option T. So I can say that T effective equals to 4 by root 15. I'm sorry, not 4. 4 only, right? 4 by 15 T. Do we have option like this? 4 only, right? Let me check. 4. 16 square root is 4, correct? 15 root, okay, yeah. So 15 root 4T, which is the option? Yeah, this one, D. D should be the correct option. Are you able to understand what I'm doing here? Yes, guys? Can you understand what I did here? Adisha?
Yes, sir.
Dhairia? Divya? Ramcharan? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
What about Varsha? I'm asking this because next question I'll ask you to solve. That's why. So are you able to understand what I did here? How I started, how I ended? Always I'm telling you the same thing. Keep option in your mind. I want T here. So I just brought somehow T here. By L by G under root 2 pi. Clear with this, right everyone? Varsha, what about you? Are you there with us? Come on, try this question. A string is clamped at both the ends of its vibrating its fourth harmonic. Okay, fourth harmonic they are saying. The equation of the stationary wave is y equals to 0.3 sine 0.157 x cos 200 pi t. Well guys, solve it. Are you doing or you want some starting? So I'm always asking for you only because if you don't tell me you understood or not, then how do I know that? So I always keep asking. It is C. Okay, what is C option? 80. Yes, dear, it's correct. What about others? Are you doing? Right dear? Those who can't speak, some noise there, they can type in chat box. Go on, solve it. Adesha, you didn't use calculator, right?
No, sir.
Did yourself, right? Very good. Vishwanath, answer? What's your answer? On Vishwa, answer. Give me answer. Okay, you typed what? A. No boy, it's not A. Try again. Ramcharan, what about you? Varsha, still not there? Neha, are you able to solve? You there? What about the area? Divya, you tried? Yes or no?
No.
Marketing? Let me solve that. No problem. So you should say that. Then only I'll come to know if you tried or not. Sure. Guess what? It is correct answer. Okay, let's solve this. First thing, let's write what is the equation given. Y equals to. So those who completed can go for next question. I'll just paste one question here. 1 second, guys. Y equals to 0.3 sine 0.157x cos 200 by t. This is what equation is given. So we know k equals to 2 pi lambda. This is given as 0.157 here. We're comparing with this equation. Y equals to sine kx. K is 0.157. So lambda equals to 2 pi 0.157. And remember this one short trick or whatever it is, 0.157, which is equals to 1 by 2 pi. Okay, remember this trick. All these values will be helpful. Others, those who finished can solve fifth question. If you want to see me solving this one fourth, you can continue. So this will be lambda 4 pi square. Lambda equals to 4 pi square. So omega equals to 200 pi, which is 2 pi by t, which is pi will can cancel. It will be 1 by now what we need actually pi. Pi is what? No, we don't need pi here. We have lambda.
So,
Yes.
can't we directly do like that? If we've got that lambda is equals to 4 pi square, as it
Yeah.
that string is in fourth harmonic, so it will be 4 into lambda by 2.
Exactly. Yes. That is what I'm going to do. Yes, directly we can do here. No need for these things, right?
Yes, sir.
Correct. Correct. That's it. It is. Fourth harmonic means yeah. Let's do directly there. So n equals to lambda by 2, which is fourth harmonic lambda by 2, lambda. We have lambda as 4 pi, which is 8 pi square. And here each is 10 centimeter, na? Fourth harmonic, yeah. It is every 1 by 2 pi. This is every 1 by 2 pi. Try this fifth question. The next temperature equation here. See what that's saying? The pressure waves P equals to 0.01 sine 1000 T plus 3x Newton per meter square corresponds to the sound produced by vibrating blade on a day which when atmospheric temperature is 0 degree. On some other day when temperature is T, the speed of sound produced by the same blade at the same frequency is found to be 336 meter per second. Approximate value of T is what? So we have 13 degree, 11 degrees Celsius, 12 degrees Celsius, 4 degrees Celsius. Okay. Anybody got question except her? Yeah. Then let me solve. Shall I solve or anyone got answer? Sure. What about you? The idea? No? Okay. Take it. Let's do some long way or short way. Let's see. Let's find out some way. Okay, what they're saying first question is this one. This is given. Fine. Come correspond to sound produced vibrating plate on the day when atmospheric temperature is 0 degree. Okay. So we know sound wave is what? B naught sine omega t. So omega is 100 here, sorry, 1000. K is 3. That we know. Omega is 1000. K is 3 by the equation. Fine. First step we got. Let's go nearer. Then K equals to omega B. So B equals to omega by K, which is 333.33. I think so, right? 1008 by 3 is 333.33. Then that's it. We got this one. Then let's compare with that one, the velocity with the time and temperature and all that equation. You can keep this as 1000 by 3 because anyhow we are going to use for further calculation. So V equals to gamma RT so here we can say this all terms are same, mass and all that. So V is directly proportional to root T. So V2 by V2 by B1 equals to D2 by D1. So T1 is how much? 0 degree. That is 273. V2 is how much? 336. 336. B1 is 1000 into 3. 6 square it. 336 into 3 divided by 1000 square equals to 273 equals to T2. T2 equals to 273 into 3 into 336 into 336 divided by 1000 into solve करो and tell me answer A, B, C, D and try not to use calculator. Come on dear, solve करो. I audible clearly, right? It's breaking.
Clear, sir.
What about the area? You're facing some issue?
So once again, show the options.
Options, just a second. Yeah. 15, 11, 12, and 4. Are we getting out of this? Our calculation is wrong.
So the value is around 270.41.
Are we getting 2?
Sir, is it D?
Are we getting exact 4 or around 2 actually saying?
No, sir. Approximately it is 4 degrees.
Yes, sir. Approx is 4.
Achha. Fine. We'll choose this one because we don't have any similar option. Naira, can you hear me properly, right? Is there internet issue? Okay, everyone got 4. Then let's write a 4 degrees Celsius. Let me check. So it is 4 degree, correct. So let's solve this. Oh, nice question. Let's solve this one. April shift 2. Fine. Okay, ma'am. 6th or 4th, how much? 2 cars A and B are moving away from each other in opposite direction. Both the cars are moving in at the speed of 20 meter per second. Okay. With respect to ground, there is more. If the observer in a car A detects a frequency of 2000 Hz of sound coming from the car B, what is the natural frequency of sound car source of sorry sound source in car B? Okay, so both are moving in opposite direction. This is Doppler's effect question. What is Doppler effect? Yes, guys. What is Doppler's effect? Do you know, or shall I explain? Shall I show you some video about that? Guys, do you know Doppler's effect? What is it? Can someone explain? No one? It's very simple. See, this is what Doppler effect. Simple way. See, observe this. How plane is flying and how it is visible. Speed. This was in high speed. This is the highest speed. Mach 1. Speed of sound. You understand the difference of that? Guys, you saw that, right?
Yeah.
So it depends upon speed also and distance also. So if you don't know formula, let me write that. F naught B plus B naught B minus Bs. What is V? Speed of sound, that is 340. B naught, speed of observer, which is given as 20, which is Yeah, which will be minus 20, opposite direction. Because if A car is moving this direction, then B car is moving in this direction. And Vs. Next. What is Vs? Source. Which is minus 20. F is frequency, which is given as 2000, right?
2000.
Very good. And what is F naught?
We have to find out.
Exactly. That is true frequency we need to find out. Natural frequency or true frequency. F naught is true frequency or natural. Come on people, solve it. Nothing left here. Substitute F.
So I got 2250 hertz, 2000.
2250 means option B.
Yes, sir.
Okay, let me just see. Yeah, it is. Very good. Okay, so this frequency was 2000 into this plus means 360 minus 320. Yes. So it is around 2250. Is it exact? Nine divided by 8 is 1.12.
Exact value.
Exactly 2250. Fine. Very good. Okay. I'll give you some question as a homework. If you are going to try, then I'll give you, or else I won't. Shall I give you question homework? Question for homework? Will you do it?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
What about others? See, you know already, like I won't give some 50, 30, 60 questions. I'll give you only 2 questions. Max 3. So if you're not trying those also, means what is the use of giving? Okay, try these two questions. Take a screenshot here. Done?
Yes.
Okay then. See you on next class. Do you have any doubts for today's class?
No,